Today we're going to talk about the characteristics of the ideal water. That's right, despite appearances, not all water is identical. We are constantly producing acids in our daily lives, and these acids need to be eliminated so as not to cause serious health problems. An example of this is lactic acid produced when we exercise, hydrochloric acid when we're stressed, as well as uric, sulfuric and aseptic acids produced as a consequence of eating animal protein, carbohydrates and fats. This is how we will unlock the great secrets of water. Its superpower is to cleanse acids from our body. But is water always capable of doing this? If that were true, we wouldn't be making this video. Let us show you what features give water this power and what you should look for when drinking it. Opposites attract, and science tells us the same about electric charges. Opposing electrical charges attract, and equal charges repel each other. Well, if acids are positively charged, then water needs to be negatively charged to attract them. A negatively charged water has to have a negative ORP. ORP stands for oxy-reduction potential. The most important thing to remember is that the majority of bottled water is positively charged, and the ORP value does not feature on the label. The pH value on some labels is usually of little help, as water can be alkaline with a positive ORP. This can wrongly lead us into believing that it will be effective against acidity. The ideal pH value for water with negative ORP is neutral or slightly acidic. Another important characteristic of water omitted from labels is the RH2. The RH2 score is an evaluation of water's ability to reduce acids. By now you must be thirsty. So, in conclusion, an ideal water to remove the acids of our body must have a negative ORP, a neutral or slightly acid pH, and an RH2 score of less than 20. Don't forget, our life is a continuous struggle against acids. We will inevitably lose it, but we can try to keep the acids away from our body for longer by simply drinking the right water. There was a time when water in nature had these characteristics, but nowadays, unfortunately, we can only obtain water with these ideal properties for our body and health if we modify it electrically. We should all invest in the best tool for our health, a machine that produces water with the correct negative characteristics, the CellPower Water device.